Hello viewers, welcome to GVE again for another vlog, and right now we are in the customer showroom. On today's vlog we have a Porsche Cayenne that's coming in for some interesting custom work, as well as detailing a Mercedes SLK. Let's go and have a look. Christopher.
Main man,
I
Jason.
caught you.
Oh no.
What are we doing to this bad boy?
This is going to be a full customization job.
Yeah.
Not decided on the wrap yet actually, but it's getting an exclusive body kit.
Okay.
So we've got all the parts already. Pretty much the whole car's going to be done. This is going to be a really good job.
Wicked, cool.
So yeah, it's going to be exciting.
Can't wait.
Yeah.
Marek, can you tell us again what's happening to this mark?
This car is for second stage detail. So that means we clean the engine bay, we take off the wheels, clean wheels properly inside and outside, we clean arches,
Yeah.
and paint. We make a decontamination of the paint, two stage of polishing and ceramic coating. I think on this one is ultra crystal serum light.
Cool.
Yeah.
How's the paint so far?
Oh, it's tired.
Yeah.
Really tired. It's black, so you can see all of the squares, and it's got also deep scratches. I need a clay bar now, and then we can see how it looks like on the real paint without the waxes, anything.
Cool.
So I'm start clay, and we will see. Let's clean one, yeah?
Yeah.
Look now. You hear that sound?
Yeah.
No, it's too loud, I think, but still.
I can hear it. Oh man. Already?
Yeah, this is star and many things which one we cannot remove by just wash. lane card. And this is
Oh yeah, look at that. Wow. You go up. Go on.
For me today is happy day.
Happy day, why?
Yeah, because we're finishing Mercedes, yeah,
Ah.
and we see results. That's really cool. Like you remember how it looks like before.
Yeah.
Look at now.
Oh yeah.
You see the scratches?
There's no scratches.
Yeah, that's right.
It's been a hard job.
Hard job, but really
Satisfying.
satisfying. Yeah.
Yeah, definitely.
I got one more deep scratches here. I'm trying to remove that. Hello.
Do you know what it came in for, James?
Yes, yeah, came in for, it's actually a good customer of ours. They've dropped off a couple of cars with us. They've had this car for a really long time, and it's kind of a special one to them, so they just wanted to bring it back to life a bit. So we've done a little more than kind of a two-stage detail. It's had full paint correction on it. We've also put Crystal Serum Ultra on there as well as a coating, and the finish is brilliant. You know, compared to how this car had come in, it only ever gone through those kind of hand washes or a bit of kind of neglect on it. It'd been used as a daily driver, that sort of thing. So it just needed a little bit of love and attention from us, and this is what we've done. So yeah, I think the guys have done another really good job as always. Looking forward to handing the car back over to them later.
Cheers, thank you, James.
Yeah, no problem at all.
Thank you. All done now, Mustafa?
Not all done yet. We have, he's getting a new set of wheels.
Okay.
But they're not going to arrive in time. So he's going to enjoy it for the weekend. Then he'll bring it back, we'll put the wheels on, and then that will be the final car.
Sweet. And what is this wrapped in again?
Matte Metallic Blue. I'm not too sure. Much better than what he chose originally, which was a grey. I mean, it didn't suit the car. This blue suits it, you know, to the T. So
looks amazing.
Happy with the job.
Cheers.
I was going for a different color. We're going for a grey.
Yeah.
And but obviously the grey wrap, the vinyl was obviously taking ages because they were taking quite some time to obviously get it delivered because they couldn't get it delivered on time. So I thought, okay, you know what? Because me and my son, me and my little one.
Yeah.
So I just told him. So we came. He's always here with me. So we put down 4 colors.
Yeah.
So we told him to pick one.
Oh, was it?
Yeah. So we told him to pick one, and he went for that one. So we now went on 2. So we had 2 shades of blue.
Okay then, yeah.
You understand? So we had the satin blue, then the matte blue. So we thought, okay, which one should we go for? So we all went, okay, let's just go for the matte blue.
Yeah.
Because that blue, you know what I mean, it looked nice when you're shaking it around, and that was how we just decided to go for that blue. You understand? And wow, that's nice.
And the kit? What do you think about the kit as well?
That kit is mad.
Yeah, it's not totally changed it.
Yeah, it's literally changed the look of the car.
Yeah,
that's a
that's it.
totally different car right now.
It looks menacing now.
Yeah.
And it looks kind of, with the colour, it looks cool as well.
No,
so.
that's a high turner right now.
Well, thank you very much.
Yeah, you're welcome.
I hope you enjoy the ride.
I will.
And then we'll see you in a bit then.
Yeah, thank you very much. Cheers.
Thank you.